the air, humming softly to the living. I see a flame inside me, shining on the speeds of mine. My soul was weakening. I found you. My world is now complete. I thought it was impossible, but that's how things were to me. I love you, and it's not some reverie. I'll lay down in your arms, and there's where I wanna be forever. I used to have low self-esteem, thoughts stung like bullets in the breeze. But someone touching my strings and sang a song I've never heard, something so sweet. I found you. My world is now complete. I thought it was impossible, but that's how things were to me. I love you, and it's not some reverie. I'll lay down in your arms, and that's where I wanna be. Back then, I was so stupid, too much anger in the eyes, alone at home with no supplies. I froze all my old dreams. Let's give the past where it belongs, and I said what is to go. I found you. My world is now complete. I thought it was impossible, but that's how things were to me. I love you, it is not some reverie. I'll lay down in your arms, and there's where I wanna be. I found you. My world is now complete. I thought it was impossible, but that's how things were to me. I love you, and it's not some reverie. I'll lay down in your arms, and there's where I wanna be forever. Stay cool out. Why my worst enemy waits for me? Yeah, yeah. Talking too loud, showing the world that he's in charge here. Your face can't deny it. No matter what you say, the eyes don't show lights. No way, no way. You can't disguise. Recycle all the hurt that bursts from the side. That's all you'll ever need. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes to get you open doors. I never wait, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes to get you open doors.
Oh, this wasn't funny, but it's not very funny right now. And I want it to be. I will be again. But God damn it! Let's get the balance back, okay?
Watch out your mouth. Make yourself clear, we may not believe. No, 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 no. Don't kid yourself. What has been said where the nerve can be reached. Just getting the flow, but now though your pretty face can't deny. No matter what you say, the eyes don't show lights. No way, no way, you can't disguise. Recycle all the hurt that bursts from the side. That's all you never need. Time never waits, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes, get you open doors. Time never waits, and you are still so lost. You got power in your eyes, get you open doors.
Oh, this wasn't funny, but it's not very funny right now. And I want it to be. And I will be again. But God damn it! Let's get the balance back, okay?
Time never waits, and you're still so lost. You got power in your eyes, get you open doors. Time never waits, and you're still so lost. You got power in your eyes, get you open doors. So we can try again. Likes may blind you. The crowd is hungry to taste your body. We all know this world is full of mistakes. A free mind takes you higher. Learn your fake post, how do you crying? Feel the wisdom floating over your hands, and I feel alright when I see you and I coming together to another dimension. We can improve our lives. There will be no mistake in love. Why? Learning from the ups and downs, it's not an easy way to grow, but it's the best way to go. Oh, come on. Hey you, don't fall in this hurricane. I know, there is hope in your hand. Move on, it's just the beginning, my friend. Be strong, so we can try again. Lights may blind you, the crowd is hungry to taste your body. We all know this world is full of mistakes. A free mind takes you higher. Not a new fake post, how do you crying? Feel the wisdom floating over your hands, and I feel alright when I see you and I coming together to another dimension. We can improve our lives. There will be no mistake in love. Why do we all have to cry before we reach the limit ascension? Learning from the ups and downs, it's not an easy way to grow, but it's the best way to go. Come on. And I feel alright when I see you and I going together to another dimension. We can improve our lives. There will be no mistake in love. Why do we all have to cry before we reach the given ascension? Learning from the ups and downs, it's not an easy way to grow. Yeah, I see you and I going together to another dimension. We can improve our lives. There will be no mistake in love. Why do we all have to cry before we reach the given ascension? Learning from the ups and downs, it's not an easy way to grow. So I'm asking why we don't spend the days and struggle to survive. That's my fate, sublime. When above nature things you love to find, then you realize what's wrong with paradise. To get paid, you need to earn it every day. True, you gotta feel the light that shines on you. Sure you will enjoy this view, letting you feel the fruit of your soul. And all the stress and pain is start to go. I'll keep going on with a stronger heart. I'll do it on my own. Try, never sucker from head to toe, but try. They'll step on your head and maybe you'll be crucified. But someday you have a turn with the game. True, you gotta feel the light that shines on you. Sure you will enjoy this view, letting you feel the flow of your soul. And all the stress and pain you start to go. I'll keep going on with a stronger heart.